Find a bird. Yeah, I know. Yeah, all right. Find a bird. Go. Fetch. 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 Come on. Hey. Here. No. Hey. Hey. Come here. Terra. Hey. Come here. Thank you. Let's go show Kenny what a chucker looks like. Yeah. That's a chucker. They eat good. They eat good.
Oh, do they?
Yeah. They're fast. Uh-oh. You want a bird? You got a bird. She doesn't. Yeah, she's on a bird. Kenny, she's on something. Here! Well, I guess I was ready to go get it.
That bird got hung up in that bush.
Yeah.
Jumped right up in the bush with it.
Come here. Here. Hey, hold. That's ridiculous. Terra, get the bird. Come on. Move it.
Will I get a treat?
You getting the hang of it now, Kira?
We can hit that other. We can come back and hit this other one after.
Okay.
We'll just work this around quick. We should have another bird down off this point right here.
All right.
And then we'll hit that other hedgerow up top.
Okay.
The one way up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here. She's used to,
Ken, you got one.
Yeah. I found it and I got it.
You're right.
yeah, that's true.
Will I get a
Yeah, she did that on a hen pheasant in the corn this year. The bird just tucked itself in and she just sat there. Come on, let's go. Terra. It's right, there it is. Good girl, Tara. Good girl. Come on, right here. I'll take it now. Leave it. Leave it. Hey! Let me see your mouth. Stay. Here. Hey. 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 Well, I'm thirsty if you're not. Well, that was much better, Tara. Oh, there you go. Hey. Tara. Tara, come here. You want a drink? Have a drink. I like the over-the-shoulder shot, Kenny. Yeah, that was good. I actually thought you hit it.
I think when you shot, I think the percussion scared the shit out of it.
Good girl. Let's go find some more. Come on.
Come on. Where is it? Find the bird. Get it. Where is it? Find it. Where is it? I don't know where it is. You're the... Oh, I see it. Yeah, you get it. All right. It's right by the tree. Get it. Come on, Tara. Go get it. You got a nose full of it. Come on. Tara, go. Get it. Get it. Come on, Tara. Go. Come on, go. It's right there. Go. 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 Come on. Fetch. Fetch. Hit it that time. Here it comes.
Right in on her.
Yeah.
Maybe that'll put pressure on her.
All right. That's a good idea. Yeah, I like that.
I know sometimes when my pointers, I'll go around in front of them and walk right at them and try to hold them.
Yeah.
But if I walk with them on the way into where the bird is, they'll break on it.
Bring it to Dad.
Thank you.
Good girl.
Okay, Tara, you get it. Come on. Tara, come on. Lock solid.
Stories about this one.
Tara, come on. Fetch.
Well, you whacked him on that second shot.
Yeah. It's going to run away. Find the bird. Come on. So I told you on the phone, she's very methodical. Where is it? Fat for. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
He's picking it up right from there. I'm surprised.
Come on. Get it. Go find it. Come on. Go. 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 Go.
Oh, it's right. It must be right underneath it right there. You see it?
I don't. She'll get it.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, it's there?
It's right.
Oh, okay.
You
All
can
right.
barely
Well.
see its head.
Probably gonna go your way,
Oh, when you step on it, yep. That bird wasn't wasting any time getting out of here.
No.
He's got it right there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Come on. I thank you very much. Yeah, yeah. Just what I like, bird kisses. That's better. Come on, crash that brush. Let's go. That bird get hit?
Not sure. Kind of went down funny. Kind of dropped awful quick.
Did she go after it?
Yeah. Further in. I threw a double down in this spot.
Great.
Well, we know where the walking.
Did she put up the walking bird?
No, we know where it went.
Here, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Here, Tara, here. Get in there. Come on. That's why you're supposed to hold it. Hold. Hey. Hey.
You ready, Ken? About ready to break through that cover.
Pond.
Yelled, "We don't want to go."
Oh, shoot. Did she?